Hello guys, this is ABAnuSara Reality. Today we are going to do some practical related and more theory related things that are asked by a job interviewer. Actually, this question is a lengthy question, but I just modified them as a piece to piece to understand what are those questions are. So this video will be lengthy. So if you want to learn about the MongoDB and Node.js, you can watch. Okay, let's start with the MongoDB. They are mostly asking about this Node.js and MongoDB. If we don't create a database, it is useless to create a Node.js. So we are going to do this thing. What is MongoDB? In the in most of the places, it is a open source, documented oriented, no SQL. It is the opposite of MySQL, which is the SQL database that stores data in flexible JSON-O like documents. It allows high scalability, performance, and ability to handle large volume of unstructured data. Why it is considered as no SQL database? Most of them didn't know this. It is considered as a no SQL database because it doesn't use traditional relational database structures like tables, rows, columns. In SQL, we use the table, rows, columns when we write it. In SQL lit as a starter, I did the table, rows, and columns things, which is suitable to apply. But in NoSQL, we only need a Excel sheet that stored as CSV or any other files related to Excel to upload it. And you can also convert it via Python if possible, or you can use Node.js if possible. Instead, it uses a flexible schema-less format. It allows for storage of diverse data types within a single collection. It allows to store the diverse data types in within the single collection. Like that, they said it is considered a NoSQL database. How do you insert the document into the MongoDB? In Node.js, in big and for high level project, we say Mongoose. In high level project, we use Mongoose as a MongoDB, which I will say while installing it. And for this answer, insert a document into a MongoDB, and we use this insert one function method. For example, in the Node.js application, it might look like DB collection, my collection, we named it, insert one, the person name and age is asked here. So name is John and age is 30. Like that we mentioned. In the querying thing, they mentioned that how you will find the age like that. DB, my collection, find age 20 like that. This query is a function of all documents in the my collection where the age field is greater than 20 like that. And the data collection, my collection, update name. And this is the MongoDB's query. Okay. You can use it when you are using this Mongoose tool in your VS Code or your project. This is Mongoose. Now we are seeing the tool called MongoDB. They also have the courses in online you can do. This is not a promotion video. I'm just showing how you can install, which website you need to install officially like that. So this is the Mango official website to download it. They have the prices also, which you can do it for paid and for free. For most of the people, it's free for learning purpose. And with the more storage and more RAM, more shares you need means you can go for the paid one. Okay, now let's go for the next thing. What is the Express.js used in a web application? They mentioned like this, right? The web application is called the Express.js. This is a backend. I forgot to mention. Yeah, backend. Backend development is a web application framework for Node.js. It simplifies the process of building a web service and API, application programming interface, I think. It provides a robust set of features and handling HTTP request routing. Please careful about it because by these things also the only important things to run your Node.js and rendering response make it easy to create a web application. You know the HTTP request routing middleware and rendering responses are the main thing in Node.js. Express.js is a backend. Okay, there is this one, and how to set up the basic Express server that is listens on port 3000, and this is the code. And we have this new tool by the Google, which will I will show you now. IDX. Okay. There are a lot of tools recently available in this project IDX, which is also changed like Android Studio and a lot of things. I also did some important projects via this thing as a practical. And now we are going to create the template. Like we are going to use a blank page where we are going to add it. Okay, first I will install it for the backend. Okay. I will use this Node.js Express because they mentioned about this Express thing only here. So sample works of Node. Okay, this is the project name, and I'm not going to use the TypeScript because I'm only learning this JS thing only, not TypeScript. Okay, so we will do like this. Hello world, welcome roles for beginners. So let's start. You need to wait for a while. Hello guys, due to some issue, I can't create the IDX project regarding this Node.js. And also I had this issue in installation, so I fixed it. Now I'm going to run this first one, which I saved here as a one. If you already know, we also use this Express here and the ABASR Express. And this is the root, the home page like that. We didn't mention it has a home page, but it's a main page. And I wrote my print based one message as a sent, and this thing is the HTTP root one for the local host. And for this, we are doing it like this here, like a server is running port is 31. So I will run it as nodejs one.js, or you don't need to use that. See, in this, I will share this one thing here. Okay. And I'm going to close it now, and I'm going to add this thing like dot and version 20.120. Like that I mentioned and saved it in a one. And when I again run this node 1.js without node 1 j.js, I'm running it here, and you will see this version like that I added, right? This one is here. And the next one is the second thing. It's normally used, I think. In the previous one, we have the hello. We didn't add in the previous one. We had it now. In the port is 3001. So the server will be running as the 2. So I will add it the sample here as a 2. You don't need to put .js here. And as it is running, it may be issue. Here I will add 2. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting errors regarding it. Uh-huh. What I did here? Hmm. Okay. I will try it via this. This error is something a different one. I can see. So I may need to check this thing why I'm having this error. Oh, it say I'm already in use. So I will remove the previous one that I practiced for, and I will go through it again. And it says like this means I need to change my port number. Okay, I will try again. Now that the 3002 is available right now, and now I close this previous one. I will add like local 321 like this here. In that we mentioned, right, the salo is the another page as a root like that we add. This is the root HTTP procedure. That's why I said that the root and middleware like that's are the most important thing. And even after closing and adding it regarding the process, wait, it worked. I added it with the exclamatory query. Now I'm entering again and running this process and it came. Like that, we have to do in this Node.js. It's a basic. And for advanced video, you can view another video of part 2. Thank you.